Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Michael here from S. James Prestige. Today you join me on a disgusting November day, but today we have a Mercedes GLE 250 in for a complete transformation. So this car has already had side steps applied to the vehicle, which is an optional extra that we can add on to this particular model. The car has had a full exterior dechrome around the window surrounds, around the front section, and also the rear, which you will see in due course. Today though, we're going to be applying 22-inch alloys. There are polished lip with the gloss black and the polished diamond cut around the surrounding areas of the alloy. And then towards the front section, we're going to be applying a gloss black GTS grille, and also this car is going to be equipped with a front splitter, a very subtle addition to the front section of the car, but does add a big overall difference when everything is done. So without further ado, we're going to get the car pulled in. My colleague in the preparation team is going to talk you through everything and show you the products that we're going to be applying. But before we go any further guys, if you are new to the channel, please do hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when we're making an upload. We will be making plenty more videos to come very soon. And if you are enjoying this video, drop a comment and also hit the thumbs up button as well. It goes a huge way. But for now, we're going to get the car pulled in and we'll get to work.
Hi guys, so we've got a GLE 250D in the workshop at the moment. Kev's going to be transforming it for you. Just going to take you through what's going on. First of all, we're going to be changing the grille here. So you've got this just in front of you, so it's a GTS style grille. We've also got a front splitter here as well. We're going to be fitting to the car. The car is already equipped with side steps, so we won't be changing those. But we will be fitting 22-inch alloys with brand new tyres. As Kev's showing you there. But yeah, without further ado, we'll get this prepped for you.
So there we have it guys, our completely transformed Mercedes GLE SUV. So to recap what we've done to this particular car, the wheels were a 20 inch, we've now upgraded them to a 22 inch polished lip design. So it's the gloss black spoked design with the exterior chrome polished lip. And then towards the front section, there's been quite a transformation there. We've had the grille changed over to our gloss black GTS style, and also the front splitter at the very bottom of the car has been applied now, creating far more road presence for the car, which really does make a big difference. The car did already have the side skirts applied, the side steps, and obviously the exterior we've done a full gloss black D-chrome just to tie in with the gloss black accents that we've applied to the car. But guys, do comment your thoughts below as to what you thought to this particular transformation. As I said at the start of the video, if you are new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to be notified when we're making a new upload. There will be plenty more videos to come very soon. As I said, drop a comment below as to what you thought to this. Drop a comment as to what you want to see from us moving forward. Is there any particular models that you guys are desperate to see the behind the scenes on? We'd love to know. We'll get some videos shot and obviously present them to you as well. And after all, if you did enjoy this video, please hit the thumbs up button. But for now guys, that is everything. Thanks ever so much for watching. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.